Hello, how are you today? I'm honored to have you watching my video right now. So today, I decided to show you the materials I used to make this crown fascinator. If you stick around to the very end, you get a bonus tip on how to make the best crown fascinator. Let's dive in. So what you'll be needing is your scissors, then your pad, so-called interfacing or wording that will be cut out in the shape of your Alice band. The next thing you'll be needing is your elastic band. We'll see what we'll use that to do. Then your uhu gum. Yeah, that's it there. Then your electric glue gun. Mine has seen some wonderful days. Then your measurement tape and your Alice band. Now take note, this Alice band is the size following this one, not this one. I'd used up all the size before I made this video. So you're going to be using the width. The width is bigger than this, so it will take the wording on top, the interfacing. Hope you got that. Then we need our flower cord. Any flower cord you want to use depending on the price. Then your skewer, your bamboo skewers. Now I made use of 2 different sizes. Then your stone cord. Now are you ready? Ready! Our bonus tip for staying till the very end is on the use of the elastic band in making your crown fascinator. Now if you want to ensure whoever wears the crown fascinator can dance, boogie to their heart desire without fear of the crown fascinator falling, ensure you attach an elastic band to the tips of the Alice band. Yeah, that's the best crown fascinator. If you want to see more tips and tricks on making fascinator, stick around by subscribing to my channel, The Vent. Click on the bell button so you get alert when I post new videos. This is Nkechi from The Vent saying thanks for watching.